Solar storms are explosive events on the sun that can release large amounts of energy and particles into space. These storms can affect Earth in various ways, including disruptions in communication systems, damage to satellites, and even causing problems in power grids. Solar storms occur during periods of high solar activity, known as solar maximum. During these periods, the sun has more sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. These phenomena can release large clouds of charged particles toward Earth, which then interact with Earth's magnetic field. One of the biggest concerns regarding solar storms is their impact on modern technology. Satellites, GPS systems, and even power grids can be affected. In the past, major solar storms have caused serious problems, such as the Geomagnetic storm of 1989, which caused a blackout in Quebec, Canada. Scientists and engineers worldwide are working on ways to reduce the risk of solar storms. This includes improving satellite protection, better early warning systems, and strengthening power grids. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and produces energy through the process of nuclear fusion. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles emitted by the sun, can travel at speeds of about 1.6 million kilometers per hour. The strongest recorded solar storm occurred in 1859 and is known as the Carrington event. During solar maximum, the number of sunspots can exceed 100. Sunspots are areas on the sun that are cooler than their surroundings, and during solar storms, auroras, aurora borealis, and aurora australis, can be seen at lower latitudes than usual. Solar energy travels to Earth in about 8 minutes, and coronal mass ejections can release billions of tons of material into space. Geomagnetic storms caused by solar storms can disrupt radio communications. The solar wind is mainly composed of protons and electrons. The sun's surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, and it is approximately 150 million kilometers from Earth. Solar telescopes help scientists study solar activity. The largest solar flare ever recorded occurred in 2003. The sun's corona is the outer layer of the sun's atmosphere. The solar cycle affects Earth's climate. During solar storms, astronauts on the International Space Station can be exposed to higher levels of radiation. Solar storms can last from several hours to several days. Scientists and engineers worldwide are working on ways to reduce the risk of solar storms. This includes improving satellite protection, better early warning systems, and strengthening power grids.
If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel to help it grow and spread these smart informations.